Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for income tax job vacancies. First, begin by searching for relevant tax job openings on reputable online platforms. Next, tailor your resume to specifically highlight your tax-related experience and qualifications. Finally, write a compelling cover letter that addresses the specific requirements of each position you apply for, showcasing your unique value. To stand out, ensure you meet the essential qualifications. Most tax roles require a degree in accounting or a related financial field. Employers also highly value strong analytical and problem-solving skills, as these are critical for navigating complex tax scenarios. Furthermore, demonstrating proficiency with various tax software and understanding current regulations will significantly boost your application. Once you secure an interview, preparation is vital. Research the company's tax department and its specific needs to show genuine interest. Practice answering common behavioral and technical questions, focusing on how your skills align with the role. After your interview, always send a professional thank you note within 24 hours to reiterate your enthusiasm and appreciation. To truly advance your career in income tax, continuous growth is essential. Actively network with other professionals in the tax industry to uncover new opportunities and insights. Consider pursuing advanced certifications, such as becoming an enrolled agent or a certified public accountant, to enhance your expertise and marketability. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. These steps will help you build a successful and rewarding career path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.